Turning to today's health now, a lot of students out there are playing fall sports. With the benefits of athletics, though, unfortunately, comes the risk of injury. WNCN health expert Dr. Kevin Campbell joins us now with some prevention information for parents, grandparents, anyone watching who takes care of kids. What do we need to know, and how common is it that sports-related injuries in our school-age children occur?
You know, there are 30-some-odd million sports-related injuries every single year in kids who are 0 to 19 years of age. Athletics are incredibly important for multiple reasons. You know, stay healthy, you learn how to work as a team, you build self-confidence. However, you know, sports-related injuries do occur, and it's a lot of ER visits and a lot of missed time from practice and games if you're not careful.
And a lot of kids, they don't just play sports during the fall. A lot of them play in, you know, summer league. So this can happen all the time, especially for kids who play a lot. So what are the most common injuries?
You know, the most common, like you might think, are strains and sprains, where a sprain is when you pull a ligament that connects a joint between two bones, such as your ankle. That's the most common kind of sprain. Strains, you can strain muscles and tendons. But you know, you just mentioned all these kids that play year-round baseball and year-round sports. Repetitive injuries can occur. We have to treat that with rest and with ice and elevation like you do with a lot of other injuries. And then some more uncommon injuries are something called growth plate injuries.
What are those?
Growth plate injuries occur in the long bones of the child where they're developing, then the bones are still growing as you get taller and wider and stronger. And when that happens, you need to see an orthopedic surgeon, because that can really impact their growth and development as they go along.
So you talked a lot about how we can treat these injuries, but what can parents out there do to actually prevent injury in our young athletes?
Well, you know, one of the most important things is have the right equipment, the right gear. And you know, most of the schools are really good at doing that. If you're in recreation leagues, make sure it's a sanctioned recreation league that has all the right equipment. You know, more importantly is teach your child to warm up and cool down. We all just want to go out there and get the job done and go play. It is so important to warm muscles up, stretch, and then at the end, this is what everybody forgets, warm muscles really need to be stretched and elongated so that you can release some of the tightness and all the things that build up when you're exercising, and that's going to really help prevent injury.
So go fight, win, but you also have to take care of those young bodies, right?
Because you want to be in the game for a long time.
That's right.
You're still an athlete. I try to still be an athlete. It's important to start early.
You're doing great, doctor.
That's right. The key is stretching our old bodies. That's for sure, right? Okay, you can find all of Dr. Campbell's Medical Monday segments on WNCN.com right now. Just click WNCN Today under the News tab. All right, coming up on